welcome back to my channel. It is Kam for Real, and this morning we have a little adventure. So yesterday I found out that my friend KK, you met in the previous vlog, that she has never had some Jamaican food before. So I woke up and I'm like, let me make that happen for her. So I'm gonna be cooking breakfast and I think dinner or lunch. I think dinner. So I need a few things. I wanted to make ackee and sawfish because she told me yesterday that she doesn't even know what that is, and I already have ackee that I got from Carrefour. So Jamaicans living in UAE, if you feel for ackee and you don't have any, you can go to Carrefour. It's in the international section under the British app, and you can get it there. Okay, so let me put you here. Yeah, so I'm gonna go and get I think I need like just some green banana, because if I'm gonna do it well, right? So I'm gonna get some green banana for the ackee, and then I want to make curry chicken, and I don't eat rice, but I may cook rice for this one. Curry chicken and rice. So I need Irish potato. So that's the plan. I'm gonna grab my shoes and then I'm gonna head out quickly because she's sleeping now. So I'm gonna head out, buy the things, and I'll take you with me. So the thing is, I have to write a list, right? Because the thing about me, when I go to the supermarket, I always end up in some aisle that I have no business being in. So let's see what we want. This for her. When she's brushing her teeth, she'll see I'm going to the supermarket and now the bag. Seriously. I kid you not. Every single time I go in the elevator, there's a fire alarm. Oh wow. Yeah. Definitely not walking on that side. Nope. Okay, let me hurry up. Okay, so first things first. Oh, Irish potato. For one, I'm popping off. I mean, the closest I could get. Like, the lady was obviously weighing my thing, and he just came and put his thing. I'm telling you, people have no home training. No home training, I'm telling you. Anyways, I don't know how I ended up in this aisle, but since I'm here, you know what? Nope, I'm gonna stick to the list. Okay, I'm leaving. I'm not buying. It's on sale. Okay. just remembered from my Amazon haul that I need an iPhone converter plug. So I mean, I wanted to go to buy directly from Apple, but I think it should work just fine even if it's not original. So let's see. If it's less than 50 dirhams, I'll buy it. So let's see. I'm gonna go to one of the little corner shops that sell the little gadgets for phones, accessories and stuff, and see if I can get one since I'm already outside. So you know when this has the old iPhone, yeah, where you plug the earphones in, the converter to the new one. So this would
small one, sir?
Yes.
Small one for old headset.
Yes, yes. One. Converter.
Also, on YouTube.
What's the price for this?
This one 40 though.
I only have 30 though. Got it for 30 dirhams. Woohoo! literally don't know why the banana looks so ripe, but it doesn't taste ripe. It tastes actually green. We're about to see what she thinks. Miss Lettuce. Miss Lettuce. Alright, so how it works is, so this is the ackee. Let me show them. This is the ackee, this is dumpling, and this is supposed to be green banana, but it looks ripe, but it doesn't taste ripe, okay? So you eat it normally with your fork. So you would cut the dumpling with your fork if you had a knife, but we don't usually use it. Yes, good job. Tight dumpling, yeah girl, yeah you. And then you eat it with the ackee. So the yellow one is the ackee. And
what is ackee? Is it a fruit?
Yes, ackee is a fruit.
Is it like jackfruit?
Oh no. It's okay, so it comes in this red pod, and then they have 3 of the yellow things that has a black seed in it, and it comes off a tree. And basically it's the national, no, not basically, it is the national dish of Jamaica.
So what is it? What does it taste like?
No.
No, but like, is it a fruit taste?
No, it doesn't.
I need to have
It
like
doesn't
an
taste
expectation.
It doesn't taste like a. Oh, you didn't give me the expectation. The Ethiopian food.
Okay,
I want to
fine.
insert.
I have to just eat it like this, or I have to take it with everything. Where's the
You can do
saltfish?
everything. The saltfish is.
What's the saltfish?
Saltfish is salted fish. So basically, dried fish that's salted.
Okay, so I take all like this.
Yes. With the dumpling.
Like this, and then like this. Okay.
What does it taste like?
I just taste the peppers. You put peppers in it?
That's tomato. Okay, eat it by itself.
I think that's what I usually do. I taste the fish. I just taste like fish.
Tastes like fish? Actual fish? Saltfish doesn't taste like fish.
It's just like like, you know the baby fishes?
Yeah.
I don't know if you guys have dried baby fishes, kapenta.
Okay. In Zambia?
Oh,
She said, oh.
look at the texture. It has a texture like pudding, not pudding, but like jello or something.
I don't know.
But it doesn't have any taste to it.
Huh?
It doesn't have any taste to it.
Yes, it tastes like. I don't know. I don't know what it tastes like. For me, I didn't like it for most of my childhood. I really didn't like it because I think it just.
But yeah, I don't know, I don't taste any
But
taste.
now I like it now.
Oh, and then am I supposed to eat this or no?
You can
But it's not ripe, you said?
eat it. It's green banana.
It's plantain?
It's not plantain. It's supposed to be green banana. It's usually white. It just tastes like banana.
Tastes like cassava.
Or cassava, whatever. Have you never had green banana before?
I don't think so.
Oh my gosh!
Is it just a banana that's green?
Yes. So come you guys don't boil it and eat it and stuff?
No.
So you only eat red banana?
Yes. Mmm. Know what it tastes like? It's dry fish. But it tastes like dry fish. Like, no, like the dry fish that we make is different than. I'll show you a picture.
Okay.
Just like dry fish. Then you make stew, and then you eat it with pap. And then it has like the soft bones.
Yes.
Ma'am. That's what that tastes like.
But for me, it has a taste for me. Like it's not a
It has
strong
a taste, but I don't know, I can't.
You don't know what the taste is,
Yeah.
right?
It's not even like, I don't know, it has more of an aftertaste, I think.
Maybe.
But what it is, I don't know. So you have ackee tree in your house?
Yeah, I'm gonna go back.
And then you eat it like, can you eat it raw?
Oh no, you will die.
Why?
It's poisonous.
Oh really?
Yes. You will die. Literally.
Dumplings.
Some people eat 10 of these.
How? I'm already at one. I'm like, okay,
Yeah.
I feel it like filling up, you know? I guess it's the same thing as pasta. Like, you put that for like how many lumps and then you eat it for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Like, bruh.
So that is it, guys. She seemed to like it. She didn't say it taste. See, thumbs up. You can come to Jamaica, girl. Invited to my wedding.
I did.
So yep, that's it. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.